YIDA Precision Tools was founded in Taichung City, Taiwan in 2001 with various industrial resources. Our company dedicated to manufacture a variety of precision cutting tools with the highest standard, which is based on the customer needs. To reach the high precision, we utilized the advanced auto CNC machine, water to produce the cutting tools. At YIDA, we aim to provide the best quality to our clients. To control and assure the quality of our product with high standard, we not only adapt the high-precision measuring equipment, Water HeliCheck Plus, but possess the professional QC course to make sure whole items are fulfill the quality requirements. The product packaging is going to be the last part before delivering our charming product to our clients. We have our own packing model, design, laser market and label stickers. Our packing department always dedicated to complete all items in packaging with safety and customer certification to ensure the integrity of product during shipping. From the year of 2001, we started to develop our overseas business and participated in global exhibition. We wish every customer around the world is able to purchase our product easily. In order to be in high efficient speed so as to provide the product to our client rapidly, we focus on inventory control. We believe that assuring the stock on hand will be able to offer our product in efficiency. In pursuit being outstanding in the action, YIDA emphasizes the professional technicians, remarkable manufacturing equipment as well as the innovation in the idea as our corporation basically to develop and produce the greatest quality of product.